Maybe they could start idling the train over for a short time before they move off again.
No. Maybe they came in early.
Maybe.
It's 12:55.
Well, it's gone now. It's 2 o'clock.
There was a hold up on the line.
Maybe there's another one coming in at the same time from the other end.
No, they've got separate rounds.
I got to it, there's 2 tracks here. Do you remember the last time when we came in? You started to bug off and we had the visit of that place.
That sounds like it's good.
You up?
Oh, that's all right. I can't hear what they're saying to me.
Oh, the next train's due very shortly. We've got no train.
This is an unusual angle, to be fair. It's not an angle you normally get on trains.
No, we've got no train coming in. This is just what I mentioned. It's coming on this platform.
I can't tell.
No, you won't do yet, because usually when it comes on the bend, no, you won't hear it unless it's completely diesel engine. This is all third. That's third rail. All this one is third rail.
Doors, I can hear them. Doors are going. Move.
Well, you usually have a guard on one side standing blowing a whistle before they take off. But I haven't seen any person who's blowing a whistle yet to tell them when they're allowed to go. They obviously have some sort of system like the old, the bombing line does, where they blow the whistle before they used to go off from taking off from the platform. Yeah, maybe that's why they're waiting. The signal person hasn't switched yet.
The signal hasn't gone down.
So probably the signal thing is stuck.
No, it probably means that there's something causing the hold up further up.
Well,
interesting.
I suppose they need to turn the engine off so the fuel they use it.
It won't be allowed to go until that signal drops.
No, there's
it's
no.
still red.
Yeah, I know. But it's only a faint red gas bulb they use for things
I know,
like
it's still
that.
red. It can't go anywhere. Something's holding them up.
I'm surprised they don't turn the engine off while they're waiting though. Because the thing is running, save the engine
It might be
power.
that they can't.
It's third rail, they use these generators to power all.
Think about the power it takes to lock it and put them on. It might be that it's better to keep it running.
But wouldn't it just use more fuel in the process though? So you drop
Honestly, I don't
cheaper
know.
than you down your lap.
I don't know.
It's either that or they could occasionally they could end up swapping drivers as well. Occasionally they swap drivers from the same
No,
point.
that wouldn't take this long. Either there's a signal failure or there's a train further up or there's something on the line.
It could be another engineer train, it might be doing some work on the line in certain areas.
No, they would have been cleared out.
If we had an engineer train last time I came in a couple of weeks ago.
You get signal failures.
They're usually quite commonly though to be fixed after. But it's not a preserved line, is it, this one? It's not a preserved line, it's not a heritage.
It's a main line, so it has to be looked after.
Yeah, but it's kind of like heritage in this way with the signal stuff involved.
It has to be used day in, day out. They have to look after them properly, but they're going to get hiccups from time to time. It might be that there's something going on further down the line. And if there is some problem, then they're going to be running late, as they clearly are now are.
Yeah, 2 hours almost.
No, 12:55 it says.
Yeah, but it's still the best part of nearly an hour and a half ago.
What's the time?
Can you hear what the time is?
2:55 it says.
Yeah.
How long have they been sat here?
That's why an hour and a half.
Oh my god, I wonder what's going on the train line. Why did I hear the doors?
They're probably trying to, maybe they've got something going on with the train itself that's made it quite
No,
thin.
the engine would have been turned off if there was something wrong with the train.
No, but it could be an electric door issue. It doesn't mean it's the engine itself.
No, because the door was definitely making a noise. Huh. Well, so much for that idea. I obviously assumed that it was going to be going in a minute, but it's not. that means no other trains can come in.
Not until this one moves.
Well, it's been stuck here for 2.5 hours. No, an hour and a half. An hour and a half.
It's nearly the best part of 2 hours. Unless the signalman has actually fell asleep behind the thingy. It does occasionally happen. Funny they go for about 2 years worth of fuel. Yeah, maybe they'll reopened it.
Which is unusual, but I guess they don't have a choice.
I spoke to one of the train drivers.
Yeah? You'd have to explain it and put them together and you can explain
yeah,
it.
I can
You
put,
went
I
through
can put,
out of the station and then it got stopped by another red light.
I basically put a voice, I can put a voicing in my editing
It's going very
program.
slowly.
But the house is the red light's just gone red.
Mm.
They're
Well,
obviously
upgrading
upgrading a few bits of already on this line.
It's not about upgrading, is it? They're trying to get things sorted. And they've got a route round to the loo line.
Yeah, that one goes right round to the
I'm assuming they're running as normal.
the district line, I think they call them. And it's like end-to-end loops. That's what
They're
the
going to want to be going
Central.
soon, aren't they?
Yeah. Otherwise, you apparently can't go past this point anyways.
No, you can't.
Unless you're the signal person.
At least you're in the shade.
Yeah, I wasn't going to push my boundaries anyway.
Oh god, that was not worth it.